Welcome to the SRSnet video. SRSnet is a funded project of the initiative Interreg 4. In the consortium there are 3 partners. The Austrian partner is Lakeside Labs, who is responsible for the project management and is the project leader of this project. On the other side we have 2 Italian partners, iTech and InfoFactory. Both are spin-offs of the University of Udine.
In SRSnet we try to build a network of smart cameras and microphones that is able to operate in areas that have limited infrastructure, like there is no access to the power grid, there is no access to wired network. This means that we have to build a system that is able to be operated from batteries or solar cells. This indicates that this system has to be very energy efficient in order to have a long lifetime from those energy sources.
We drove to the National Park Hohe Tauern here in Carinthia. In this beautiful environment, we have set up our technical equipment. The conditions were even harder than we expected because the whole area was flooded and we had to use several hundred meters of cabling in our initial tests.
Video sensors are directive sensors and they are not able to cover the entire area, and with audio integration we are able to see, let's say, or it's better to say to hear, where cameras are not able to see. So we can have a 360-degree coverage of our area.
Here you can see me setting up the network and configuring the cameras. In the small picture you can see that the first camera is already delivering tracking output. Here we can see how the cameras detect and track objects in their field of view. In this case, they are tracking persons. They record the trajectories, so the movement path of the object in their field of view. From those paths, the camera can construct an activity map, which is then used to show where objects move and how frequent they are performing certain events.
In SRSnet we have the following components. We have first a sensory layer that performs computer vision and audio processing. We have a module for complex event detection. We have a data warehouse and a system for resource-aware reconfiguration of the network.
The most important challenge we have to face is to operate in the wilderness.
This system should perform in real time with very high performance, but at the same time should offer a very low complexity where the system should run on an embedded platform.
The resource-aware network reconfiguration part is a software-side approach to minimizing the overall network consumption on all nodes in the network. We first determine which sensors need to be active at all and which ones can be shut down for charging. The active nodes then automatically determine which tasks must be performed on which node, and this yields not only the best quality for each task but also the minimum energy consumption. The approach that we took to minimizing the overall resource consumption in the network was very novel. Also the overall setup of the network and of the project was very unique. Besides using low power hardware for the sensor nodes, which do not use a lot of energy, we also employ a software-based solution to minimize the energy demand in the overall network. The consortium, as we constructed it for SRSnet, is perfect because each partner delivers exactly their expertise for our project. So the indirect funding is perfect since the partners that are best suitable for our project reside in different countries, here in Austria and Carinthia and in Italy.
Interreg gave us the opportunity to get in contact with other companies with different skills, and each company gave their important contribution. I think that no one of us alone could have done this project.
The Interreg has been a very great opportunity to connect together different technologies developed by University of Udine, University of Klagenfurt and the Lakeside Labs.
We have future plans for this consortium in special because we see that the consortium work is perfect and that each partner really delivers the amount of knowledge needed to realize a project, and we will try to use this consortium in different projects to achieve other good outputs.
I don't know, but I think we should transform. The most important part is